guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me already, my name is Danny Rios. Today I'm going to show you how to do a super quick, easy, chic look for date night or for any kind of event that you're going to. So today I'm going to show you with these super cool Korean products that are actually not even on the market yet, but they will be. So let's do this. The very first thing I'm going to do is put my concealer, which this one is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. I usually pot it like this. This is Cover FX Power Play Concealer in G Medium 1. I like Cover FX because they have tons and tons of different colors. So no matter what your skin type is, you're always going to find the perfect color for you. I have a little breakout here, so I'm trying to like cover it up, but I don't think it's working. Okay, so once I do that, I'm going to use my Cover FX bronzer. Oh, as you guys can see, I have a little ring. It's not real, it's just a little hoop ring, but I thought it was cute for this look. So this is the Cover FX bronzer in Sun Kissed. So I'm going to put that on my nose, as I usually do. And I'm just going to put it on my cheeks. This is just a very subtle color because since we're doing a really intense lip color, I want everything else to look pretty natural. Okay, once I have done that, I'm going to use my Cover FX powder, and this is translucent light. So I'm just gonna put this to set my under eye, which I literally always do. And I always add some right here in my little T-zone because it usually gets kind of oily around my eyebrows. And then I contour the bottom of my cheeks like so. And then I just literally dust it off. So like this look is perfect for when you're just like laying in your bed and some like guy's inviting you to go out somewhere and you're like, oh my God, I have no time. Like I'm going to cancel, but you can totally do this look super fast and easy and you're going to look like freaking bomb and hot. Okay. So once I did that, I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown highlighter, which of course, like I literally always use this because I just feel like it's so light and it looks super natural as opposed to like other highlighters where they're like super heavy and I just feel like you can tell and it's like just not cute. So this one's perfect, as you can see, because you can really see the highlight, but it looks super natural. So now to this super cool Korean stuff. So this was the packaging, as you guys can see. This is called Sassy Glam Eye Glitter. It comes in, oh, this is the lip tint. Hold on. This is the glitter packaging. I just thought it was so cool and like very like K-pop, like colorful. And they also have some like marble lip balms, which these are super cool, as you can see as well. This is the actual lip tint that we are going to use today for my lips. And this one is just like look how cute this is. So as you guys know, the glossy lid was super in, so I think you can totally achieve that with this one. So I'm using the Sassy Glam Eye Glitter, and this is in Pink Soda. So I just put a little bit on my hand, although this seems like a lot. Okay, and I'm just gonna... Wow, it's like super shimmery. I love it. This is like the perfect product for a glossy lid. Oh my God, this is so cute. I love this already. Oh my God, how adorable is this? I love. Oh my God, so cute. Okay, and then I always put eyeshadow under my eyes, so I'm gonna do that as well. On that side. Okay, that was like a little bit smudged. I should have done this with a brush. Okay, hold on. Wow, this is really pretty. And I like the little pink shade. I think the pink is like so cute. I know, I'm gonna keep adding because I like the pigment in this. Like, it's glittery, but I like the color. I think it's so cute. And I like it because it's literally sticking. Like, it doesn't feel wet. It's like sticking to me. So this is super cute. So now we're gonna use the lip tint. There's two different ones, I think. Maybe we can do this one because it's more orangey. So this one is the Neon Kiss Red. So I'm just gonna try this out. Ooh, it tastes like what? Well, like it smells and kind of tastes like watermelon. And this is a super easy applicator. Okay, and I never do like colored lips, so this is like a real bold look for me. Cute. Oh my god, I love. Yes. Okay, this is precious. It's feeling a little wet, so it's not drying as fast as I would like it to. But this color is really pretty, and I like the applicator part too. Okay, so I just ended up doing my mascara because I'm just trying to save you the trouble. So now I'm just going to finish off with liquid eyeliner. This one, sorry, it like keeps falling off. This one's from Stila, so it's the waterproof liquid liner. So I'm just gonna do one super like thin line. Oh god, I hope these match. God, I feel like my eyeliner never looks the same. Like, it's so annoying. Okay, that kind of looks a little bit, right? The same, kind of. Ugh, this one's too long. Okay, I always drag a little bit on the inside. I think I did that in like less than 15 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed this little cute beauty tutorial. Make sure to like my video, make sure to subscribe, and tell your friends about me. I will add the links to the rest of these products below. I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys.